Hi everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday tip. Today I'd like to give you 3 different ways that you can waste less food just by using Plan to Eat. Number 1 on the list is to just simply start creating meal plans. We already know that meal planning does a whole lot of good things for you, and one of those things is that it can help you waste less food every week. Creating a meal plan helps you reduce your food waste by having you purchase items that actually apply to recipes rather than going to the grocery store and just simply buying a bunch of items at random that you might not have a plan for and then end up getting wasted if you never end up using them. Number 2 is to make meal plans around the items that you already have at home. So within Plan to Eat, we have the option to use some search and filtering options. And in those search and filtering options, we have the with any and with all ingredient searches. So you can type in ingredients into those search bars that you already have at home, and then it'll populate recipes from your recipe book that apply to those ingredients that you've already added. This will allow you to use up all the things that you already have at home rather than having to throw them away because you can't find any recipes to use them in. Number 3 is to shop at home before you go to the grocery store. We always recommend you take your shopping list with you into the kitchen and double check the things that you already have so that you don't purchase them again when you go to the grocery store. This can be as simple as taking your Plan to Eat app with you around the kitchen and just tapping off items that you already have in your cupboards and in the fridge. So there are 3 tips to help you reduce your food waste every week. If you would like more information about these tips and to get a few extra, click the link down in the description box, and I'll see you next week.